A great value proposition isn't just a tagline, it's a promise. It tells your audience why your product matters, who it's for, and how it makes their life better. It's what makes someone stop scrolling, click, or say, "Yes, I need this." But crafting a value proposition that truly sticks takes more than clever words. It takes deep understanding. Start with empathy. Before you write a single line, you need to know your user inside and out. What are they struggling with? What do they want to achieve? What frustrates them about current solutions? Your value proposition should speak directly to those needs and desires. A strong value proposition answers three simple questions. Who is it for? What problem does it solve? And why is it better or different than alternatives? If you can't clearly explain that in a sentence or two, it's time to sharpen your focus. Clarity beats cleverness. Avoid buzzwords, jargon, and vague language. Be specific. Instead of saying revolutionary platform for productivity, say a to-do list that prioritizes tasks for you so you never feel overwhelmed again. The clearer your message, the more likely it is to resonate. It also helps to use the language your users use. Go back to those user interviews, forums, and support chats. Notice how people describe their problems and frustrations. Use those same words to frame your solution. When users see their own language reflected back at them, it builds trust instantly. Test different versions. Don't assume you'll get it right the first time. Put different headlines on landing pages. A/B test your email subject lines. Measure which versions get clicks, signups, or conversions. The best value propositions are not invented. They're discovered through iteration. A sticky value proposition is emotional. It connects with people on a human level. Maybe it promises peace of mind, freedom, simplicity, or confidence. It goes beyond features and taps into outcomes. What will life look like once this problem is solved? That's what you're really selling. And finally, remember, your value proposition isn't just for your website. It should guide your pitch, your product messaging, your onboarding flow, everything. It's the anchor that keeps your entire business aligned. When done right, your value proposition becomes more than a sentence. It becomes a reason people believe in what you're building and a reason they come back.